A student of BCIH MCT. Today we are going to make Consomme Royale. For the ingredients we need some chicken wings. Here I have some finely chopped mirepoix, some bouquet garni, which includes thyme, bay leaf and peppercorn. And I also have some finely chopped mushrooms and beetroot. And some cold stock. So what I'm going to do now is quickly put everything in the stock pot and mix it well. Now the wine, the egg and the chicken wings. Now we're going to mix it. We have to season the consomme in the beginning only. So what I'm adding is salt and pepper. And give it a mix. So now I'm going to add some cold chicken stock to the mixture. And give it a good mix. So now I'm going to cook it on high flame and mix it continuously to form the raft. Once the stock has come to a boil, I'll lower the gas to the minimum possible and then leave it for simmering. So now, as you can see, the stock has come to a boil. So I have lowered the gas and now I've kept it for simmering for 2 hours. As you can see, a beautiful raft has formed on top of the consomme, and it's been almost half an hour since I've kept the consomme on the flame. And here you can see I've kept some onions for caramelizing, as it will give a nice beautiful color to the consomme. Consomme Royale is known for the beautiful garnish it is served with. It is a savoury egg custard. For this we need some eggs, equal amount of cream, some vegetables, and some seasoning. Now we're going to mix it together. So here I've taken a roasting pan in which I've added some water and a silicone sheet. Now I'm going to transfer the egg custard in the sheet. Now I'm going to steam bath it in 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes in the oven. The onions have been caramelized. Now I'm going to put the onion on top of the raft and let it simmer for another 30 minutes. So it's been 2 hours and now it's time to pass the consomme through a muslin cloth. The right method is to pass it through a muslin cloth. So we have strained the consomme and look how beautiful it is. That is why it is called beef tea. Now I'm going to transfer the beef tea in a soup bowl in which I've already added parsley and the traditional garnish, which is the savoury egg custard. Presenting to you Consomme Royale.